Hello, boys and girls!
Welcome to the jungle!
Today, we're going to meet some amazing wild animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, it's a lion. The lion says,
Roar, roar!
"Can you roar like a lion?"
Roar, roar!
Look, it's a big elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Can you wave your arm like an elephant's trunk?
Lion, lion, roar, roar, roar! Elephant, elephant, trunk so long. Lion, lion, roar, roar, roar! Elephant, elephant, sing along.
Wow, it's a giraffe. The giraffe has a very long neck. Can you stretch up high?
Amazing!
Look, it's a zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Can you count the stripes?
1, 2, 3! Giraffe, giraffe, stretch up high. Zebra, zebra, 1, 2, 3. Giraffe, giraffe, stretch up high. Zebra, zebra, look at me.
It's a funny monkey. The monkey likes to climb trees. Can you pretend to climb?
Great climbing!
Look, it's a tiger. The tiger has orange and black stripes. Can you growl like a tiger?
Fantastic! Monkey, monkey, climb, climb, climb. Tiger, tiger, monkey, monkey, climb, climb, climb. Tiger, tiger, one more roar.
This is a hippo. The hippo loves water. Can you splash like a hippo?
Splash, splash.
Look carefully. It's a crocodile. The crocodile has strong teeth.
Snap, snap. Hippo, hippo, splash, splash, splash. Crocodile, crocodile, snap, snap, snap. Hippo, hippo, splash, splash, splash. Crocodile, crocodile, clap your hands.
Let's say all the animals together. Lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra.
Monkey, tiger, hippo, crocodile. Lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra. Monkey, tiger, hippo, crocodile. Lion, elephant, giraffe, zebra. Wild animals, great job, child.
Excellent work. Today we learned about wild animals. Which animal is your favorite? Tell us with your parents.
Lion,
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 lion.
lion,
Giraffe,
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 giraffe.
giraffe,
Elephant,
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 elephant.
elephant,
Tiger,
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 tiger.
tiger,
Monkey,
monkey,
monkey.
monkey,
Hippo,
hippo,
hippo.
hippo,
Crocodile,
crocodile,
crocodile.
crocodile,
Zebra,
zebra,
zebra.
zebra,
Giraffe.